Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a corn and pesto burger. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So let's just jump straight into this. We take some mayonnaise, and to that we add some homemade pesto. I'll put a link for the pesto in the description down below. Give that a good mix around, pop it to the side. Now we'll concentrate on our burgers. So we take some corn mince, pop it into a bowl. On top of that there we add some couscous. I've just used packet couscous and made it to the manufacturer's description. I've then added some spring onions, the last of the homemade pesto, some garlic salt. Give that a mix round. Now folks, if you find the value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. Once you've all that mixed, we're going to add an egg. Again, give that a mix around. This will just help the mixture come together. Now once our mixtures come to consistency, we're going to take it and make it into burgers. Once we have our burger shape made, pop them onto a plate, and then what we'll do, we'll put them into the fridge for about an hour and a half just to firm up. Now these burgers are quite loose, so we'll just fry them. So after this firmed up, we'll take a frying pan, put it on a medium heat, just spray with some oil and then add the burgers. We'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side and then we'll turn it over. As I said to you, these burgers are quite loose. Don't worry, if they do start to fall apart, just push them back together, and when we put the mozzarella cheese on them later, it will hold them together. Now that our burgers are cooked on both sides, we're going to cover with slices of mozzarella cheese. Then we'll pop the lid on it, cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes, just until the cheese melts. Now that our burgers are cooked, our cheese is melted, it's time to serve our corn burgers with pesto. So I've just taken a burger bun, toasted it lightly, then we take our pesto mayonnaise, spread it on the bottom. Take the corn burger, set it on top of the mayonnaise. We'll then top this with some sliced cherry tomatoes and some freshly torn basil leaves. And then a final drizzle of some balsamic glaze. Now folks, if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.